Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the Lenox Timbergrove. It's the Lenox Timbergrove. These are some all new, very, very pretty apartments, and they're here in the Houston Heights area. This is called the Timbergrove area, but it's actually essentially in the Heights. So these are essentially new apartments in the Heights area, the greater Heights of Houston, Texas. Maybe I would call it the Timbergrove part of the Heights. What we're going to do is we're going to do the best tour ever of these pretty apartments. We're going to go and take a peek. We're going to see the amenities. I see a fitness center there. We're going to see the pool. And then we're going to see some really pretty apartments. Lenox has a good name. I love their apartments. I love their, we've filmed other apartments from them. They're just gorgeous. There's a Lenox Heights apartments we filmed. There's another Lenox property that's more south. This is a really pretty apartment, so I'm looking forward for you to see these. If you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. And if you want to do a tour, virtual or live, send me a text as well. I can set those up for you. There's going to be about 12 videos, so watch all the videos. They'll be short and to the point, and you'll be able to see the best tour ever. Okay, the next video, we're going to talk about the area, so let's film that right now. Just let the next video play.